Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, protein, hydration, quick recovery, super tasty, super healthy. This is the ultimate workout smoothie, loaded with over 28 grams of all-natural protein and proven to reduce muscle soreness. So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 2 cups of watermelon cubes into a blender. Along with 1.5 cups of a high-protein plant-based yogurt. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super healthy and super tasty protein smoothie! Thanks for watching.